This video provides a detailed comparison of sodium-ion, lithium-ion, and lead-acid batteries, highlighting their unique characteristics, strengths, and weaknesses. Each of these battery types has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, making them suitable for specific applications. We examine the conditions under which each battery type may offer the most significant advantages, and explore the reasons why sodium-ion batteries might replace lead-acid batteries and, to a lesser extent, lithium-ion batteries in the future. Let's begin by taking a look at sodium-ion battery advantages. The sodium-ion batteries are cheaper to produce than lithium-ion batteries. Sodium, unlike lithium, is abundant and widely available, reducing material costs by up to 30%. Sodium-ion batteries have a lower risk of thermal runaway, which reduces the chances of fire or explosion. This makes them safer for use in applications where safety is a critical concern. With a lower carbon footprint, ranging from 10 to 20 kilograms of CO2 per kilowatt hour, compared to lithium-ion batteries, 100 to 150 kilograms of CO2 per kilowatt hour, sodium-ion batteries are more environmentally friendly. Sodium is plentiful and not geographically constrained, unlike lithium, which is concentrated in specific regions such as South America and Australia. Sodium-ion batteries maintain good performance in both high and low temperatures, operating effectively between -40 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Sodium-ion batteries can charge more quickly and efficiently even in extreme temperatures. They can reach 80% capacity in just 15 minutes at 50 degrees Celsius. Here are some of the disadvantages. Sodium-ion batteries have lower energy density than lithium-ion batteries, meaning they store less energy per unit weight. This results in heavier and bulkier batteries, which is a significant drawback for portable applications like electric vehicles. Currently, sodium-ion batteries have a shorter lifespan, around 2,000 to 4,000 cycles, and lower overall performance compared to lithium-ion batteries. This limits their use in high-performance applications. Sodium-ion batteries are well suited for grid-scale energy storage and renewable energy systems where size and weight are less critical. Suitable for applications like e-bikes, scooters, and other small vehicles where cost, safety, and environmental factors outweigh the need for high energy density. Sodium-ion batteries will probably replace lead-acid batteries. It's ideal for backup power supplies, energy storage in harsh environments, and automotive start-stop systems due to better performance, safety, and cost-effectiveness. Next, we will look at some advantages of lithium-ion batteries. The lithium-ion batteries have the highest energy density among the three battery types, making them ideal for portable applications like smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles, where size and weight are crucial. Currently, they offer a longer cycle life, up to 3,000 to 5,000 cycles, and have superior performance, including faster charging and discharging rates. Established market and technology maturity. Lithium-ion technology is mature and widely adopted, with well-developed supply chains, manufacturing processes, and infrastructure. Here are some disadvantages of lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are more expensive to produce due to the cost of lithium and cobalt, which are less abundant and subject to geopolitical and supply chain risks. These batteries have a higher risk of thermal runaway and potential for fire or explosion, especially when damaged or exposed to extreme conditions. The production of lithium-ion batteries involves higher greenhouse gas emissions, around 100 to 150 kilograms of CO2 per kilowatt hour, and the extraction of lithium and cobalt poses environmental and social challenges. Lithium-ion batteries are ideal for passenger electric vehicles and high-performance applications, where high energy density and long cycle life are crucial. The high energy density makes them suitable for portable electronics like smartphones, laptops, and tablets. These batteries are widely used in residential and commercial energy storage systems where high energy density and fast charging are required. Last up, we examine the lead-acid battery and a look at its few advantages. Lead-acid batteries are cheaper to produce than lithium-ion batteries and are widely available globally. They have a well-established manufacturing base and supply chain. Lead-acid batteries have been used for over a century and are known for their reliability and robustness. They are capable of delivering high surge currents, making them suitable for applications like automotive starters. And now some disadvantages of these batteries. Lead-acid batteries have the lowest energy density, making them bulky and heavy. This limits their use in applications where weight and space are constraints. They have a relatively short cycle life, around 300 to 500 cycles, compared to lithium-ion and sodium-ion batteries. Lead-acid batteries contain toxic lead and sulfuric acid, posing environmental and health risks. Disposal and recycling require careful handling to avoid contamination. These lead-acid batteries perform poorly in both very cold and very hot conditions, limiting their use in environments with extreme temperatures. These batteries are more commonly used in conventional vehicles for starting engines. They are common in uninterruptible power supplies, or UPS, and emergency lighting systems for backup power. They can be used in off-grid solar and wind installations due to their low cost and reliability. Where does each battery type have the most advantage? Well, lithium-ion batteries are best suited for applications requiring high energy density, lightweight, and long life, such as consumer electronics, passenger electric vehicles, and high-performance renewable energy storage systems. Sodium-ion batteries, on the other hand, are ideal for large-scale energy storage, low-speed electric vehicles, and specific applications where cost, safety, and environmental impact are more important than energy density. They could also replace lead-acid batteries in applications where weight and size are not critical, such as backup power supplies and stationary storage. Lead-acid batteries continue to hold an advantage in low-cost, low-cycle life applications where high surge currents are needed, such as automotive starter batteries and emergency power supplies. However, their role is diminishing as more efficient and environmentally friendly alternatives like sodium-ion batteries emerge. Why sodium-ion batteries will most likely replace lead-acid batteries and some lithium-ion battery duties. When it comes to the replacement of lead-acid batteries, sodium-ion batteries offer higher energy density and longer cycle life. They perform better in extreme temperatures, maintaining capacity and charging efficiency in both hot and cold conditions. Sodium-ion batteries also have a lower risk of thermal runaway and contain no toxic materials like lead, making them safer and more environmentally friendly. Additionally, sodium-ion batteries are less expensive to produce than lithium-ion batteries, and are expected to reach cost parity with lead-acid batteries in the near future, making them an attractive option for applications currently dominated by lead-acid technology. Due to their improved performance and lower environmental impact, sodium-ion batteries are well suited to replace lead-acid batteries in a wide range of applications, from low-speed electric vehicles to grid storage. Now, considering their complementary role to lithium-ion batteries, sodium-ion batteries may not fully replace lithium-ion batteries in high-performance applications due to their lower energy density. However, they are likely to complement lithium-ion technology by filling specific niches where cost, safety, and environmental factors are more critical than energy density. By adopting sodium-ion batteries for applications that do not require high energy density, industries can reduce dependence on lithium, cobalt, and other materials that are subject to supply constraints and price volatility. Ongoing research and development are expected to improve the energy density and performance of sodium-ion batteries, potentially expanding their use in more demanding applications. In conclusion, sodium-ion batteries present a compelling alternative to both lithium-ion and lead-acid batteries, offering advantages in terms of cost, safety, environmental impact, and performance in extreme conditions. While they are unlikely to completely replace lithium-ion batteries in high-performance applications, they are well positioned to replace lead-acid batteries and find their own niche in specific markets. As technology continues to evolve, sodium-ion batteries could play a crucial role in the future of energy storage, complementing existing technologies and contributing to a more sustainable and resilient energy landscape. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.